a computer can take data through the input unit. It can store the input data. It can process data through the central processing units. Then it can also give out the processed data or the information through the various output units. So the operation of the computer is summarized as this. It is summarized as IPO. You input data into the computer does the processing, and then it gives you the output. Now let's look at the difference between data and information. Data simply refers to facts. Data refers to facts. This could be about a person, object, place, age, and so on. Now, a data on its own makes no sense. A data on its own has no meaning. So when data is processed and it becomes meaningful, that is what we call information. So take for example, age. If somebody just writes his or her age on the piece of paper, write 12 years, 13 years, and so on and so forth. Data on its own is not meaningful. Now, information is referred to as processed data or a meaningful statement. So you should know the difference between data and information. Data simply means fact, and data on its own is not meaningful, while information is processed data or a meaningful statement. Now we have different methods of data processing, that is, various methods of converting data into information. We have the manual method. There are three major methods. We have the manual method, we have the mechanical method, and then we have the computer method. The three major ways of converting data into information are the manual method, the mechanical method, and the computer method. So when we talk about the manual method, the manual method involves the use of human effort. I'm just trying to give you this one. It involves the use of human effort when data is processed using human. So sorry for the break. So as I was saying, manual method of data processing involves the use of chalk, wall, pen, pencil, and the like. These devices, machines, or tools facilitate human effort in recording, manipulating, sorting, and presenting data or information. So any form of data processing that involves the use of human effort throughout the processing operation, that is a manual method of converting data into information. Now, what are the disadvantages of the manual method of information and data processing through the manual method? Number one, it is cumbersome. The manual method of data processing is cumbersome, that is, it requires a lot of effort. It is tiresome. That's another disadvantage. It is boring. It is frustrating. And lastly, it is time consuming. Trying to use different colors so that you can identify this. It is time consuming, and also it is prone to errors. Data processing by manual method is prone to errors because, like you said, manual method involves human effort, and humans are prone to error. So, data processing by manual method is prone to error. It's likely to be affected by human errors. So, when there are errors, then the reliability. Then, lastly, I think this is also it's also a disadvantage. Manual method does not allow for the processing of large volumes of data on a regular and timely basis. So these are the disadvantages of the manual method of data processing. It is cumbersome. It is tiresome. It is boring.
Yes. Hello, sir. Can you please slow down a bit? The one you mark with different colors, is it advantages or disadvantages, sir?
So the manual method of data processing, like I said, is cumbersome. It is tiresome, it is boring, it is frustrating, it is time consuming, it is prone to errors, and it does not allow for processing of large volumes of data. The second method of processing data is the mechanical method. While manual involves human effort, the mechanical method involves the use of machines. The mechanical method of data processing involves the use of machines. We have data processing machines like the typewriter, the radio machine, the adding machines, and so on. The calculator we use, the scientific calculator or whichever type of calculator, is also an example of data processing machine. It converts data into information. So this machine facilitates human efforts in recording, classifying, and so on and so forth. Now, mechanical method of data processing also has its disadvantages. Number one is that the operations are basically routine in nature. The operations, data processing operation, is basically routine in nature, and there is virtually no creative thinking. Because it is routine, in nature. There is no creative. It gives no room for creativity. Then the mechanical operations sometimes are noisy because the machine produce noise from the mechanical operation of the machine. The operations can be noisy. It can also be hazardous to the operator. The machine can be hazardous. That is, using it can pose a risk to the user of the machine. Mechanical method is also prone to error, machine error, and also it is untidy. It generates waste. It will be waste from fuel and so on and so forth. Then lastly, the mechanical method does not allow for processing large volumes of data continuously and timely, just like the manual method of data processing. Now the third method of data processing is the computer method. Just like it implies, mechanical method uses human effort. The mechanical uses machines. The computer method uses computer for data processing. So it has various advantages. The computer method of data processing has several advantages. Number one is that data can be processed steadily and continuously, and also, unlike the mechanical method, the operations are practically not noisy. Then data can be stored. Data, whether input data or processed data, can be stored whether temporarily or permanently. And the fourth advantage is that errors can be easily and neatly corrected. Then the outputs are always very neat, decent, and can be produced in various forms. After data has been processed, it can be produced in various forms. It can come in form of graphs, diagrams, pictures, or in form of text. Accuracy and reliability are highly enhanced. So these are some of the advantages of the computer method of data processing. So we have gone over the three, which is the manual method, which requires human efforts. The mechanical method uses machines, and then the computer method uses computer for. And the last type is the most widely accepted mode of data processing. That is what we are using today.